Good morning, students. In this video lecture, we are going to see the assignment problem number 3. So, a pentagonal plane. Plane is given as pentagonal plane, 5 side available, measuring 30 mm. Rests on the ground. So, rests on the ground means horizontal plane with one of its corners. So, resting part is here, corner resting on horizontal plane. Corner is resting on horizontal plane. And the surface containing the resting corner makes an angle of 50 degree to HP. So one of the corner is resting on horizontal plane. So this corner is having surface. Now the surface containing this resting corner makes an angle of 50 degree with the horizontal plane and perpendicular to VP. Now, what is the position of this edge? This edge is opposite to the resting corner. So, this is the edge available opposite to the resting corner. Now, in the second position, so this edge is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Okay. Now, and the edge opposite to the resting corner makes an angle of 30 degree to VP. Now in this position you are getting one apparent top view. Here this edge is available here. So this opposite edge should be inclined to VP in the final diagram. Now this edge is inclined 30 degree to VP in the final diagram. So this is our second position. Plane is inclined 50 degree to HP. One of the corner is lying on HP. Now this edge is, the edge which is opposite to this resting corner is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now what I am going to do is, the top view I am going to rotate so that this opposite edge to the resting corner is inclined 30 degree to VP. So what I am going to do is, this top view I am going to rotate 30 degree to XY line so that this edge becomes inclined 30 degree to VP. Now, here surface is inclined at 50 degree to HP. So, surface is inclined 50 degree to HP. So, when the surface inclined to HP means you have to start the diagram with the top view. Now, the opposite edge is inclined. Edge inclination will be given in the problem. The edge opposite to the resting corner is inclined 30 degree to VP. So the opposite edge to the resting corner is inclined 30 degree to VP. That's what the condition given. Okay. Now the plane surface is inclined to HP. So when the plane is inclined to HP, in top view only you can able to see the true shape. So we are going to assume that plane is parallel to HP, and we are going to start with the top view. Now draw the XY line. What should be the orientation for the top view? There are two possibilities available. Either you can keep one side at the left side of the top view, or you can keep one corner at the left side of the top view. What should be the orientation here? Now what is the resting part available here? One of the corner is resting on HP. If you draw in this orientation, this edge will lie on HP. The second orientation, we are going to keep one corner. So this angle you have to maintain 90 degree. So in the second orientation, corner is lying on HP. So in this case, the second orientation is the right one. Okay. Already we know about how to draw the pentagon. So draw the base side 30 mm, 72-degree inclination. So draw the pentagon. This angle you have to maintain 90-degree. Now draw the projectile lines. B, when you look front view here, A, B, C available at the front. So B will be visible, C will be visible. Again the C, corner D is there, D will not be visible. Similarly, E will not be visible. This is the initial top view. Now the surface is inclined 50-degree to HP. Now mark one point on the XY line. This will be corner point A. Now draw one 50-degree inclined line. Okay. Now measure A to C. This front view only I am going to rotate. Measure A to C. Transfer here. Similarly, measure A to B and transfer in the diagram. So this will be B1 dash and E1 dash. This will be C1 dash and D1 dash. Okay. Now we are going to draw the apparent top view. On the second stage diagram, plane will be inclined 50-degree to HP. For that, you are getting one apparent top view. Draw the projectile lines. Extend the corner point A and A1 dash vertically. This will be A1. Similarly, extend the corner point B horizontally, B1 dash vertically. So this will be B1. Then extend corner point C horizontally, C1 dash vertically. This will be C1. Then extend the corner point D horizontally, B1 dash vertically, forming D1. Similarly, extend E and E1 dash vertically. This will be E1. Now we have to join all the corner points. Getting the second stage apparent top view. After constructing this, enclose this top view inside the rectangle. By drawing horizontal and vertical lines, you can enclose. So this I am going to give 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in the final diagram, I am going to fill this top view. Okay. So mark one point here. Edge is inclined 30-degree to VP. Now the corner A is lying on HP. Which one is the opposite edge available to this corner? This edge CD is the opposite edge for the resting corner A. So in our tilted diagram, this edge CD should be inclined to VP. Now you draw on 30-degree inclined line. Okay. So this side CD should be available on this line. What will be the corner here? This top here I am going to rotate. So this corner will be 3. Now measure this line 3 to 2 using compass and transfer here. So using compass, I will show here. So measure 3 to 2 and transfer here. Okay. Now through this, draw the perpendiculars. So this corner will be 2. Now measure 2 to 1 and transfer. Similarly, measure 3 to 4. So that you can join the rectangle. All the 5 points you are going to transfer here. Corner A available on line 1, 4. On this line 1, 4, you have to transfer corner A. So measure 4A1. From the corner point 4 only you have to transfer. So this will be A2. Measure 4 to B1 and transfer on 4, 3. So this will be B2. Then 3C, transfer on 3, 2. 3C, have to transfer on 3, 2. So this will be our C2. Then 2D, transfer on 2, 3. 2 to D. Okay. Now join all the points A, B, C, D. Here you are having E. Corner point E available on 2, 1. Measure 2, E1. This will be E2. Now we are going to draw the final stage front view. So that resting edge. The edge CD opposite to the resting corner. So the CD is inclined 30 degree to VP. Now we are going to draw the final front view using projection. Vertical line A dash, both are intersecting, forming A2 dash. Then extend B2, B1 dash. Then extend C2, C1 dash. Then extend D2, D1 dash. Then extend E2, D1 dash. Now join all the corner points here. A, B, C, D, E, and A. So after completing the diagram, you have to check out. The surface of the plane is inclined to HP. You have to start the diagram with the top view. Resting part is one of the corner resting on HP. So keep one corner at the left side of the top view. Draw the top view and front view. In the second diagram, plane inclination 50 degree with the HP is available. Draw the apparent top view. Now, the edges opposite edge to the resting corner is inclined 30 degree to VP. Resting corner is the A. Corner A1, A dash, resting on XY line, HP. Now, the CD should be inclined 30 degree to VP in the final diagram. This is the opposite edge available. To make the edge CD inclined to VP, you have to transfer this 3, 2 in the final diagram. So that this C1, D1 will be inclined 30 degree to VP. Now corner A, one of the corner is resting on HP. The edge opposite to the resting corner CD inclined 30 degree to VP. Plane is inclined 50 degree to HP. So all the conditions are satisfied. So after completing the diagram, you have to check whether the given conditions are satisfied or not. Now, one important thing is sometimes in problem they may give that one of the corner is resting on HP. One of the corner is resting on HP. At the same time, the edges containing the resting corner. For this corner, you are having two edges. These two edges, the edges containing the resting corner are equally inclined to HP. Okay, like the condition may be given. Now, these two edges are equally inclined to HP. Now, I am giving one corner here. When you make one other side perpendicular to VP, when you rotate the front view, automatically these two edges will be equally inclined to HP. What is the equal inclination that you can find out? This will be 108 degree included angle. So 180 minus 108, remaining angle will be 72. Naturally, these two angles will be equal to 36 degree. Okay, that's what they given here. These two edges are equally inclined to HP. That condition will be given in the problem. Now, one of the corner is resting on HP. When you make this side perpendicular to VP, automatically this angle will be 36, this angle will be 36. That's what given in the problem. Okay. Sometimes they may give the problem like this. One of the corner is resting on HP. The edges containing the resting corners are equally inclined to HP. Like that, they may give the problem. Thank you, students.